see me, guys? Can you see me? Can you see me? You okay, babe? There. Hello. Good morning. I'm using my phone, so quality may be different. I want to vlog today. We're supposed to go to the gym this morning, but I don't know. We woke up at 6. That's when the alarm turned off. And I'm like, I'm so tired. I didn't get enough sleep. I felt like I didn't sleep at all. Ooh, Monday. It's a busy day, guys. Plus my shift it starts at 9. So it's now 8:30. So we decided to just go to the gym this afternoon after work. So we'll see. Crossing my finger. Traffic, guys. Grabe.
Jackson Trengo got a bit of a knock in the Port Adelaide Magpies game. So he is certainly in the running to play next Saturday, and you suggested he could get a job to do on Mitch McGovern.
Yeah, I think on Jeremy McGovern.
I'll bring my phone. Yep, punta kami ng gym, guys. My gosh, kakarating lang namin ng bahay tapos alis agad-agad. Nagbihis lang kami. See? I'm gonna wear my shoes. You're wearing your shoes, babe?
Yeah, shoes are right.
See? Okay. Right, yeah, I'll put it on the car. Alarm! I'll turn it on. Magko-close ang gym 7:30. No, yeah, 7:30. So, siguro mga 6:10, 6:20 na ngayon. Tapos magre-register pa kami sa... Let's go. I'll put my shoes here. Okay, I got the remote. I have my lip tint as well kasi tingnan nyo, hindi ako nag-makeup kanina eh. Okay. Got water. Good luck. Dito na kami, guys. Sabi nila mag-film ka pero huwag mo yung obvious. There. EFM. Okay. We're home. Kanina pa. We got home straight from the gym. And then, I was gonna just, like, you know, eat whatever's in here. Pero sabi ko, I feel like eating talong. So we went to Foodland and we got some stuff. So we got milk. We got this, guys, $1 for all these. So Dan, sabi niya, ano daw niya, isa-smoothie daw niya bukas. And then we got the Nice biscuit as well. Kahit na meron pa naman ako, kasi it was only 99 cents. And then we got breast fillets. Chicken breast fillets, and then we got bacon as well kasi bukas we will do the egg with bacon and tomato and onion, and this is for the butter chicken. So yeah, now I will cook talong. So I got one talong only, and I will cut it in half, and then I'll eat half for dinner and then half for tomorrow's lunch. Yum! I'm using my camera na pala, hindi na yung phone. Sobrang pagod na pagod ako, guys. I feel like I can't walk tomorrow. My thighs are really sore. How do you feel, babe?
Good.
Yeah, he feels good. So we will go, the plan is we will go Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we'll see how that will go. We should be fine. Yeah, so Dan will eat cereal. Just cereal lang yung ano niya. My rice is cooking. Right there. How good is this cup? Ito yung binili namin sa Kmart, guys. Show them, babe.
No.
The color is nice. I like it. Kailangan ko this is really dangerous. Kailangan ko i-cut in half yung talong. Kasi ang laki ng talong, guys. Tingnan nyo nga yung talong na yan. Oh my gosh. Like, see? Laki ng talong. Sa Pilipinas, maliit yung mga talong. Maliit naman talaga yung mga talong doon, diba? So, pwede itorta mo yung isang talong lang. Pero ito, kailangan hiwain ang talong kasi ang laki-laki ng talong. Nakakaloka. Gusto ko siya hiwain ng maayos na meron pa rin din akong tip dito. Oh my gosh. So, I'll just do that. Kasi gusto ko meron pa ring ulo yung talong. Para akong tanga. Tawa ko na tawa dito. Hindi naman ako naiintindihan na Dan. Hinugasan ko na to. So, anuhan ko siya. Ganyan. Tutusukin ko yung talong. Gagawin ko to on both actually. Kasi lulutuin ko na siya tonight yung dalawa. Tapos i-wrap ko to ng cling wrap para ma-steam siya. And instead of boiling it, I will microwave it guys for 6 minutes itong dalawa. And then ipa-fry ko sila. Easy. So wrap ko siyang ganyan. And then kapag ito lang, half lang, lagay ko siya sa microwave ng 3 minutes. Tapos magiging sobrang malambot na siya and ready na siya. Yan, no? Well, tatanggalin mo pa yung skin tapos. Yan. Unahin ko lang yan kasi gutom na ako. And gusto ko na maluto na yan. Tapos ito mamaya na. So mag-prepare lang ako ng egg with salt. Okay, so nakuha ko na yung isa. Yung isa na na dip ko na sa egg. Hinintay ko na lang na mainit yung mantika para ma-prito ko na yung isa. But this one guys, tanggalin nyo muna yung cling wrap. Tapos pahingahin nyo muna yung talong before nyo ipili yung char. Talaga akong sino nagtuturo. Before ipili yung skin. Kasi kapag right off the cling wrap, very madikit pa siya sa talong. So, pahingahin niyo muna, tapos mamaya, hindi na siya ganun kahirap tanggalin yung skin niya. And now, let's prito this talong. Tortang talong! By the way, meron pala akong gustong pag-usapan, guys, char. Meron talaga akong mga ganun. Napanood ko yung... Meron ako mga nakitang video about kay Kathleen Lights na she said the N-word. And I feel really bad kasi alam ko na hindi niya naman sinadya, 'di ba guys? You guys agree? Hindi niya naman sinadya na sabihin yung N-word, 'di ba? Like I'm pretty sure sinabi niya yun not to be racist whatsoever. Ano lang, parang naawa lang ako kay Kathleen Lights kasi siguro sa dami ng mga tsaka na comments na nare-receive niya. Alam niyo naman, diba, may anxiety yun, char. Feeling close naman talaga ako kay Kathleen. Like, yeah, wala lang. Naawa lang ako kasi feeling ko sa lahat ng nare-receive na comments niya, parang nakakalungkot. Like nung kay RC Munoz na, yeah, nagparitoke siya, very obvious. Pero, nung nakita ko na nag-iba na yung itsura niya, sabi ko, hala, ibang-iba na. Kasi, sobrang nagagandahan talaga ako sa kanya, guys. Kasi sobra na, isa siya sa mga artista na fina-follow ko sa Instagram kasi sobrang nagagandahan ako sa kanya. And when she changed yung ilong niya, parang, at first, parang, wow, ano nangyari? Pero, like, you know, I'm not gonna say anything bad kasi I don't know her personally. Like, even Kathleen Lights, hindi ko siya kilala personally. So, I don't really care. Kahit na anong gawin niya sa katawan niya, like, it's not gonna affect me in any way, shape, or form. So, like, chill lang ako dito. Meron lang ako nakita na comment sa isa sa mga picture na naiba na yung ilong niya. Kasi I was looking for the picture kasi ipapakita ko kay Dan. Kasi alam ni Dan na sobrang nagagandahan ako sa kanya. Tapos pinakita ko kay Dan na iba na yung itsura niya. Nakita ko sa comment doon na, like, parang how dare you to change your ilong? Parang, how dare you to comment like that na hindi mo naman ilong yan? Like, she can do whatever she wants, diba guys? Tapos meron pa nagsabi doon, we have the right to know kasi pinapanood ka namin, something like that. If the person chooses to keep it private na ayaw niya sabihin, she has all the right to keep it private as well. So, yun lang naman sa opinion ko. Isipin na natin na mayroon din silang feelings. Like, it's okay to be disappointed kasi sobrang nagagandahan tayo sa kanya, pero we do not also have the right to, like, bash her. Kasi we don't really know kung bakit niya yun ginawa. You know what I mean? Baka merong mga rason. Obviously, meron naman talaga siyang rason kung bakit niya ginawa. And that we do not know. Malalaman lang natin yan kapag shinare na niya. Obviously, hindi ko alam kung shinare niya kasi hindi naman ako nanonood ng news. Nakita ko lang yung sa sa Instagram feed ko na nag-iba na yung itsura. But, yeah. Oh well, balik sa talong. So, ganyan na yung talong, guys. Napaka-unhealthy niya tingnan kasi sa dahil sa oil. Pero, ganyan na siya. And then, yung isa, nandito. So, dalawang egg yung ginamit ko kasi nga, ang talong, ang laki-laki ng talong. I have my rice. And then, yeah, ready na yan. So, kakainin ko na yan. Gutom na ako. Si Dan, nagbo-boil ng egg para sa kanyang lunch bukas. Are you gonna have a healthy lunch? You look good. Buti na siya nakaligo. Ako hindi pa nakaligo kasi nagluluto ako. Okay, kain. This is really good. And I'm gonna put banana ketchup as well. Banana ketchup is really good with this. Ilalagay ko siya. And this is for tomorrow. That's so cute. Nalagay ko siya sa mini jar. Para sa lunch ko bukas, banana ketchup. Hello! It's Tuesday. Punta kami kay Mart. Katapos lang namin mag-workout. Char! Nag-workout na naman kami. I'm using my phone again. We'll go to Kmart. I'll just get one of these para suot ko sa gym bukas. Kasi dalawa na lang yung akin. Tapos nilaban ko yung dalawa. Where is it? I am just looking for that. The long sleeve one. It should be here. Wale. Can you see it? I only have 2 and oh, here. Oh no, that one is printed. Show them. Sige na. What are you getting them? Show the other one. What are you hiding? For what? You look so good.
Okay.
Fresh from workout. Wow. Okay, we'll get this. Para kay Eli. We got him the what do you call that? What do you call that?
Keyboard.
Yeah, we got him the keyboard already and we're getting him another one. Hello babe, look at this. Look at this one. $15 only. Isn't that fun?
Yeah, bunny.
It's a space launcher.
Yeah, bunny.
Cool. Okay. Let's go find me my workout clothes. Hindi ko nahanap tong ganito. Kasi sa Target ko to nabili. Tapos meron sila sa Kmart pero for some reason wala na. Siguro dahil hindi na winter, spring na. Pero lamig-lamig pa rin. We got this from Kmart. Para yan kay Eli. And then itong leggings. So same siya ng suot ko ngayon but different color. Maganda to guys pang workout. Char! And then we got chapati. Indian na maganda to pang instead of rice, ito yung sa buttered chicken kasi we will have buttered chicken bukas. And then I got puff pastry as well kasi sa sausage roll na naman ako and I think kulang yung puff pastry namin. And then I got croissant. Gusto ko mag-croissant para sa coffee ko bukas with my coffee bukas. And then I got the yellow kiwi as well for $2. And then we got the sausage roll again for the sausage mince for the sausage roll. And then Dan got this. Yung things na bread para sa coffee niya sa weekend. And then we got cream para sa ulam tonight because we will have eggs, scrambled eggs with tomatoes and onions and bacon. So I will do that now. I'll cook it now. Alright, people. So, ito na yung ulam. Egg na may bacon na may onions at saka tomatoes. And si Dan, instead of rice, ito yung niya. Gamit niya. Para chapati. He's doing it the Indian way. Okay. Kain! Tapos na kami mag-dinner, guys. Itong contacts ko kanina pa to. Mga 8 pagising ko. Yeah, pagising ko. Suot ko pa rin siya. Pero okay na. Matutulog na ako guys. Mag-i-edit pa ako ng video. I don't think I will edit it all. Actually, no, I'm not gonna edit. We will watch 13 Reasons Why. I'm so sore dito sa likod. Sobrang sore. Tapos sa legs din. Naka-ano lang ako naka-undergarment. Kasi nilondry ko yung leggings. But yeah. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Good night. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Night.